What's up, Maverick crew? Buckle up, because today we're unlocking over 20 epic upgrades that'll take your Ford Maverick from awesome to unstoppable. From smart gadgets to badass accessories, these picks crank up your truck's style, comfort, and performance like never before. Whether you're cruising city streets or tearing up the trails, these Maverick mods are absolute game changers. And the best part, all the product links are waiting for you down in the description. So let's dive right in and level up your Maverick. We're firing things up with the complete set of protection, your Maverick's ultimate armor package for both interior and exterior defense. This set includes custom-fit floor mats, a heavy-duty truck bed mat, and a rugged tailgate mat, giving you total coverage from front to back. The floor mats are precision molded to trap dirt, mud, and spills, while staying odor-free and non-slip. The bed mat absorbs impact from shifting cargo, protecting the metal surface from scratches and dents, while the tailgate mat guards against scuffs during loading. Each piece is waterproof, easy to clean, and built to withstand any weather. Together, they form an unbeatable trio that keeps your Maverick clean, tough, and ready for every adventure. Up next, this 7-piece interior organizer kit transforms your Maverick's cabin into a clean, clutter-free zone of pure efficiency. The set includes a double-layer center console tray for storing phones, wallets, and gadgets, a cup holder insert with a built-in mini organizer for coins or cables, and 4 door handle storage trays that perfectly fit your side pockets. Every piece is crafted from durable, non-slip ABS material that prevents rattling, even on rough roads. The custom-fit design blends seamlessly with your Maverick's interior, keeping everything neatly arranged and within easy reach. Whether you're commuting or adventuring, this kit adds structure, convenience, and everyday comfort, turning chaos into calm, one compartment at a time. Right after that, this armrest cover adds comfort and protection right where you rest your arm most. Made from soft, wear-resistant material, it shields against scratches, fading, and spills while upgrading your Maverick's interior look. Its snug fit stays secure without slipping, keeping your console clean and stylish. Simple to install and easy to maintain, this cover blends comfort and durability, perfect for long drives, commutes, and daily use, keeping your cabin fresh, functional, and looking great mile after mile. Meanwhile, these custom-fit seat covers give your Maverick a sleek, durable new look. Designed for a tight, no-slip fit, they guard against dirt, spills, and daily wear, while maintaining full airbag and seat control access. The breathable, high-quality fabric keeps you cool in summer and cozy in winter. Easy to install and clean, these covers add long-lasting protection and style that lasts, keeping your seats sharp, fresh, and ready for every drive, no matter the season or conditions. Now this one's tough. This bull bar brings rugged protection and attitude to your Maverick's front end. Built from heavy-duty steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, it shields your bumper from rocks, debris, and road impacts. The integrated skid plate adds extra defense, while its aggressive design gives your truck a commanding stance. Easy to install and built for adventure, this bull bar combines bold looks with real-world toughness, offering confident, fearless protection and style for both city streets and off-road excursions. Let's keep things practical with this truck bed extender, a clever solution for hauling longer cargo. Designed for the Maverick, it flips out over your open tailgate to instantly expand your load space, then folds back in when not needed. Perfect for bikes, lumber, or weekend gear. It's lightweight, sturdy, and secure on every road. Simple, efficient, and space-saving. This extender transforms your compact Maverick bed into a true cargo powerhouse, giving you extra versatility for work, play, or travel. Here's another smart upgrade for your Maverick, the Tonneau cover, designed to protect your truck bed while enhancing its style and functionality. It comes in 2 versatile styles to suit your needs. The soft trifold is flexible, lightweight, and easy to fold, giving quick access to your truck bed while keeping cargo dry, secure, and out of sight. Perfect for daily use, it combines convenience with weather protection. The hard trifold adds extra strength and security, shielding your belongings from harsh weather, theft, and road debris, while still offering smooth operation and a sleek aerodynamic look. Both styles elevate your truck's appearance, blending practicality, style, and premium functionality effortlessly. Next up, this roll bar gives your Maverick an instant off-road upgrade. Built from high-strength steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, it boosts safety, utility, and style in one bold move. Ideal for mounting lights or securing cargo, it's as functional as it is fierce. The streamlined design flows with your truck's body, adding that adventure-ready look every Maverick deserves. Strong, sleek, and trail-tested, this roll bar is built to last while making your ride stand out on every road. Here's one is all about grip and comfort. This steering wheel cover gives you total control in every season. Crafted from premium, non-slip material, it enhances handling, reduces fatigue, and keeps your hands comfortable on long drives. Heat and wear resistant, it stays cool in summer and cozy in winter. With a snug fit and stylish finish, it adds both function and personality to your Maverick's interior. A simple, practical upgrade that improves your driving experience day in and day out. Rolling forward, this door-side storage tray makes organization effortless. Custom fit for the Maverick, it slides perfectly into your door panels, giving you space for phones, keys, and small gear. The non-slip base keeps items steady, even on rough roads, while the sleek fit blends naturally with your interior. Quick to install and easy to clean, this upgrade turns unused space into smart storage. A handy addition that keeps your essentials organized, secure, and easy to reach every single drive. Now this one's clever. These door edge protectors quietly save your paint from damage. They guard against scratches, chips, and dings when parking in tight spaces or opening doors near walls. Made from flexible, impact-resistant material, they blend smoothly with your Maverick's edges for a factory-like look. Simple to install and built to last, they add invisible protection with long-term benefits, keeping your truck's doors looking flawless, polished, and well-maintained, while preventing costly paint damage over time. And don't forget, all these game-changing Ford Maverick accessories are just a click away. Grab your favorites and turn your truck into a tougher, smarter, adventure-ready machine. Next, this envelope-style cargo net brings order to your Maverick's bed. Stretching securely across your cargo zone, it keeps groceries, tools, or gear from sliding around while you drive. Made from durable elastic mesh, it holds tight yet allows quick access to items when needed. Lightweight, flexible, and easy to install, it keeps your load stable and your bed organized. A simple, practical upgrade that every Maverick owner can appreciate, while ensuring your gear stays safe, secure, and easily accessible. Shifting focus to lighting, these side marker lights add style and safety in one bright move. Their crisp amber glow improves visibility for other drivers, while giving your Maverick a bold, modern edge. Built from waterproof, weatherproof materials, they shine through every condition with confidence. With plug-and-play installation, you'll get instant upgrade vibes, lighting up your truck's presence wherever the road takes you, adding both a stylish accent and functional safety feature that lasts for years. Here's a bold accent. These tailgate letter decal inserts make your Maverick's name pop. Precision cut to fit perfectly inside the embossed tailgate letters, they create a sharp, premium look. Crafted from durable, fade-resistant materials, they hold up through weather, washes, and sun. Easy to apply and made to last, they give your rear end that signature, eye-catching finish that turns heads wherever you go, making your truck instantly stand out with style, durability, and a custom look. Moving inside, this magnetic phone holder cubby insert is your go-to for hands-free convenience. Designed specifically for the Maverick's dash, it blends in seamlessly for a factory-like look. The powerful magnet keeps your phone steady over bumps and turns, making navigation or calls effortless. Sleek, functional, and easy to use, this upgrade keeps your phone secure, visible, and accessible while helping you maintain focus, safety, and comfort on every single drive, whether commuting or adventuring. Now let's talk about this bedside storage organizer. It brings practical structure to your truck bed. Custom fit for the Maverick, it mounts neatly against the bed walls to create pockets for small tools, straps, and gear. Made from tough, weather-resistant ABS plastic, it keeps your items secure and accessible. No drilling, no hassle, just extra space that works smarter. Perfect for anyone who wants a more organized, efficient, and clutter-free cargo area while making loading, unloading, and travel effortless. Now, this one's for the detail lovers. The 16-piece interior decoration trim kit with covers for your dashboard, air vents, steering wheel, gear panel, and console. It gives your Maverick's cabin a refined custom feel. Each piece fits precisely and installs easily with adhesive backing. Made from durable, fade-resistant ABS, it adds protection and color that lasts. Sleek, stylish, and unique. This kit gives your truck's interior a bold, personalized edge that elevates the cabin instantly. Keeping that upper edge sharp with this rear roof protector, it adds sleek function to your Maverick silhouette, designed to shield your roof edge from scratches, chips, and debris. It doubles as an aerodynamic accent for a sportier profile. Built from durable, weatherproof ABS with a glossy finish, it installs easily without drilling, clean, stylish, and protective. A small detail that makes your Maverick stand out with purpose, polish, and everyday functionality, while also safeguarding your investment. Let's add precision with this 7-piece knob cover trim set, a subtle upgrade that makes a big difference. Designed for key controls like your start-stop button, volume, and headlights, these aluminum trims bring a sleek metallic finish to your dash. Scratch-resistant and perfectly contoured, they fit snugly for a refined high-end look. Quick to apply and made to last, they add a pop of luxury that elevates your Maverick's interior, giving it a polished, premium feel every day. Meanwhile, this dashboard cover mat keeps your Maverick's dash looking fresh and protected. Custom cut for a perfect fit, it blocks UV rays, glare, and heat to prevent cracking and fading. The soft, non-slip surface enhances comfort while reducing windshield reflection for safer driving. Simple to install and remove, it's a clean, practical upgrade that keeps your interior cool, stylish, and well-preserved in every season, ensuring long-lasting dash protection and everyday comfort. Now this one's rugged, the hood deflector, your Maverick's first defense against rocks, bugs, and debris. Made from impact-resistant acrylic, it's built to take on rough roads while reducing wind noise and drag. The aerodynamic shape fits perfectly without drilling, adding both protection and aggressive style to your front end. Durable, sleek, and functional. It's a must-have for keeping your hood flawless and your Maverick looking tough, sharp, and ready for every journey, mile after mile. Finally, last but not least, this rear bumper cover plate protects your Maverick where it counts most. Crafted from tough stainless steel or ABS, it shields your bumper from scratches, scuffs, and wear during loading. The textured surface adds grip and style, while easy adhesive installation means no tools are needed. Functional, polished, and built to last. This upgrade keeps your Maverick's rear end looking sharp, ready for every job, and fully protected on every drive, making it a smart, long-lasting investment. And that's your ultimate lineup of must-have Ford Maverick accessories on Amazon. Each upgrade is designed to boost your truck's style, comfort, and capability. Whether you're hauling, adventuring, or cruising daily. From protection to performance, these gear picks make your Maverick tougher, smarter, and more versatile than ever. All the product links are down below. Grab your favorites and start customizing today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic Amazon truck accessories.